Hello everyone and welcome to Lot of Tech once again. So this is the CCZ Coffee Bean in-ear monitors which were sent out to me for review by keephifi.com. I'll talk about this website in the later part of the video. So first of all, these in-ear monitors are priced at around $19 and they give a head-to-head competition to the KZSN Pro and KZSN X. So it is called Coffee Bean. On front of the box says that it's dual magnetic circuit, and at the bottom it's written let music more beautiful. Then at the back you find some information mentioned in Chinese and some specification listed on left side and also on the right side. You get this in-ear monitors in two colors. The one that I have is called Coffee Bean and it's in brown color, and then we have a black color variant as well. The box contents are pretty much very standard. You get the in-ear monitors, you get your cable and two extra pair of ear tips along with your user manual. The cable that comes with these in-ear monitors is black in color, and the one that I was sent was without a microphone. You can also get a cable which comes with a microphone with these. Apart from that, you get a user manual, and I highly recommend to go through the user manual at least once. There is also a warranty card, so you get 1 year warranty with these, and you get two extra pair of ear tips in small and large size. The ear tips are a little bit different. You can say that it has a small sort of cone at the front which kind of prevents sound leak and gives you better sound isolation according to the company. So the packaging is quite neat and clean, and it's the same kind of packaging style as you will find with any of the KZ or Blon. And the first thing you will notice when you will take these in-ear monitors in your hand is how lightweight they are. So it's an extremely lightweight design. In fact, it's lightest among all the in-ear monitors that I have, and also lightest among many of the earphones that I have. So it's really lightweight design which I really appreciate. Apart from that, it's all made out of plastic. The front part is brown and it's also available in black, and the rear part is semi-transparent through which you can see the internals. If you will have a closer look at these in-ear monitors, so the main body of the earphones actually has a small vent which I believe is for the flow of air. Then these in-ear monitors are also provided with this black colored rubber pad which is actually glued to the main body of the in-ear monitor. The advantage of having this rubber pad is that it provides you with a good grip and your monitors are not going to fall from your ear. Now it's really an innovative design to provide these kind of rubber pads, but the only thing I wish here is that they could have been made little bit more soft to provide you with the better comfort, because in this way it just feels like normal plastic. Apart from that, I already told you about the ear tips. So they have a small sort of cone on the front part which provides you with a better noise isolation, or you can say better sound seal according to the company. So if you look at the cable, so it's actually same kind of cable that you will find with any other in-ear monitor. The left and right markings are precise, and the good thing here is that they have provided you with a cable managing ring which is quite rare to find in these kind of cables. Apart from that, at the end you will find a 3.5mm gold plated jack, as I didn't order the one with a microphone. So the jack provided here is a TRS type instead of TRRS one, which you will find with the ones which are having a microphone. And then at last, after you have connected the cables to the in-ear monitors by following the diagram provided in the user manual, this is how they are going to look like. So now coming on to the most important part, which is the audio quality. So first of all, if you are watching this video, I believe that you might be confused between buying the KZSN Pro or the ZSN X, or maybe something that exists even better than that. So first of all, in my review on the ZSN Pro, I told you that these are phenomenal in-ear monitors that excels in the high frequency region, and they provide you with absolute crystal clear audio. But also at the same time, I felt that if you are someone who loves little amount of bass, so that little amount of bass is actually missing in the ZSN Pro. And a lot of you in the comment section also mentioned that sometimes high frequencies are way too sharp, and if you're someone who doesn't like very sharp high frequencies, so you might not like the ZSN Pro to that extent. But CCZ Coffee Bean kinds of fulfills that requirement that was not there in the ZSN Pro. So it's as neat, as clear and as clean as the KZSN Pro. Very good vocals, very good separation in the high frequency region, and the bass that was missing in the ZSN Pro is actually provided in the CCZ Coffee Bean. So this is something that you can grab if you are looking for a very well balanced in-ear monitor at a very affordable price. Now the KZSN Pro are at present available at $18.99 on Amazon, but the CCZ Coffee Bean is not available on Amazon, so you have to get this from a website which is called keephifi.com. They have sent me this for review along with one other in-ear monitor which I'll review in the next video. So this keephifi.com actually is selling a lot of in-ear monitors. You can go through their website, and you can also directly message them on Instagram. They will guide you through a registration process through which you can also get a 10% discount. Now the only thing that will stop you from getting the CCZ Coffee Bean is that it will be an international shipment, so it's going to take between like 7 days or 10 days to reach to you, but at the end it's going to be worth it, worth every penny that you spend on an in-ear monitor. These are selling at $20 and they will turn out to be of the same price as that of the KZ ZSN Pro after your custom duty and everything, but it's going to be a worth purchase. Here is a small audio comparison between the KZ ZSN Pro and the ZSN X, and detailed review will be coming soon. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.